Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kathy, and I like to do all kinds of DIY creations. I like to restore and upcycle furniture, and I like to do Cricut crafts and party decorations. But today I'm on a new adventure. Recently I have just refinished and upcycled this coffee table, and I thought, okay, I am going to try to flip this piece on Facebook Marketplace. This is the first time I've ever tried to flip a piece on Facebook Marketplace. Will it sell? I don't know. I'm excited, I'm scared, I'm nervous, but come along with me for the journey. I want to tell you first about this piece and what I did to redo it and everything, and then at the end of this video I'll be putting it on Facebook Marketplace and we'll see. I'll keep you up to date. Hope it sells. Okay, come along with me for the journey. This was a great little yard sale find. It didn't need any repairs, it just needed updating. My first step is always cleaning. I cleaned this piece with Dawn liquid soap and rinsed it with clean water. Next, I sanded the top to bare wood and scuff sanded the legs. I primed the piece since I was painting it a lighter color. Let the fun begin. Now we get to paint. I chose Waverly chalk paint in white for the table skirt and legs. I tried something new with this piece. I used Waverly chalk paint in the color Pool, and I decided I was going to do a paint wash on the tabletop. So I mixed the paint, 1 part paint with 1 part water, and put the paint wash on the top. It came out great. After the paint dried, it was on to waxing. I actually gave this piece 2 coats of wax. After I wax, I buff with a paper bag. It makes the surface smooth as butter. And voila, here's the piece. Isn't it beautiful? It came out great. I think even better than I had expected. Well, I've done it. I've listed it on Facebook Marketplace. So far, I've had several views on it, so hopefully it will sell. I will definitely keep you posted on what happens with this piece. Thank you so much for watching, and please, to help my channel, if you will give this video a like, please hit the subscribe button and then the bell so you'll be reminded of my next videos. And thanks again for everything. Remember that if I can do it, you can do it too. Bye.